Today's a very turbulent day for the Tesla stock as it went down to $198 a share. And that was all driven by the fact that we had some announcement on the fact that they were lowering their overall delivery in China. That caused a little bit of panic in the market, but it has since recovered. But the most important thing that you might be asking yourself is, what is the latest on the Twitter deal? And specifically, we need to track the fact that we have Elon Musk, who may have to sell shares of Tesla in order to acquire Twitter. Now, we know for, quite a period of time now. In fact, what Wall Street is calling the very longest ever transaction in history is the takeover of Twitter by Elon Musk. So, right here we see this particular article that was posted a little while ago. And then I want to share with you in this video today where you can actually find some very key data, which is very important as an investor to keep your eye on when it comes down to if and when Elon Musk sells shares of Tesla. You'll be the first to know with today's video. Elon Musk may have to sell 10 billion in Tesla stock for the Twitter deal. And of course, if we scroll down here, I think the key point is he might be forced to sell 5 billion to 10 billion next week as he prepares to complete a $44 billion buyout of Twitter. Now, next week, okay, so this was done on October 21st, it's now the 24th. So in this next week, we need to be very, very on point with watching the news as to if and when this could potentially happen. But right now, he currently has 12.5 billion lined up in debt financing, but he's seeking outside investors to come in and help for the other 32 billion that he needs to finish the deal to buy Twitter. Now, of course, the stock market has been a complete and utter crap show since the beginning of 2022, and especially through the summer. But the most important thing is, will he have to end up being screwed into the deal to say, okay, in order to buy this, I need to liquidate. I need to find ways to make money, get money, in order to get the deal done. And that could involve selling some Tesla shares. And for Tesla holders, that is not a good sign. In fact, Tesla has been a wild, wild ride over the last couple of weeks, not only from missing their earnings last week, which caused a little bit of a bloody day on Thursday of last week, but also today's announcement in China, which also gave us to a very, very low amount. In fact, a 52-week low of that $198 a share. Would this be a catalyst to put it back to 190 or lower? We'll have to see. But here is the website you need to look at. And what I'll do is I'll link it down in the description below so you can keep an eye, bookmark this site, and refresh it every couple of days just to make sure that you're on point. I just also realized if you're watching Benzinga, you spelled activity wrong. There's some really interesting things that we need to point out when it comes down to Tesla in general. The very first thing is, of course, you can see all the different trades and if they're selling options, and if they're buying shares of Tesla, and the amount in which they're doing so. Not only the price in which they're executing at, but the size as far as how much money they're transacting. Now, as we scroll down here, we can see all the different things. You can see that Elon Musk, here we are, back in August. We remember this, we talked about this before, August 9th. He started selling a ton of shares. What a lot of activity on August 9th. But right now we have nothing going on. In fact, the last time that they did a filing on the filing date was on October 5th at 7:35 p.m. That was, as of the recording of this video, the very last time that we saw any activity out of insider trading with Tesla, according to Benzinga. Now, what you should do is keep an eye on any type of activity from Elon Musk popping up here to the top, as long as you have, of course, the filing date sorted to the latest first. If you click on the filing date, it will actually transition into either oldest to newest or newest to oldest. So if you're looking here and for some reason you're back here in 2010, you're way behind the times. Come up here to filing date, click on it, and get it back to where it belongs. And that's what we need to keep our eye on in the next couple of weeks ahead as to this Twitter deal and how to find out if Elon Musk sells any shares. Here's another interesting thing though. Why is nobody buying any Tesla shares? That should be something that we should also keep our eye on. If we scroll down here we are in March of 2022. And if you look on this category, this column right here, type, look at all the sell options. Sell, 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 options, options, options. Then we go into the second page. If you go to the second page, you'll also notice that here we are in March all the way down. Sell, sell, sell. Do you see any buys at all? Where are the buys? Where are the buys? Let's go to the third page. Now we're back here in 21, deep into the fourth. Oh, wow. Buy, buy, sell. Oh, sell, 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 sell. Okay, let's go to the fourth page. April 5th, 2021 was the last time that an insider bought any Tesla shares in the amount of $41,000, 105 shares, $395 per share. Now that of course is before the split, which is why it's $395 at 105 shares. So they obviously own more shares, but of course the price is much lower. It'd be interesting. Why has nobody bought since April 5th of 2021? And then before that, who knows? I'll let you scroll through it using the link down below. But anyway, this is also an important thing to keep our eye on. If there's not a lot of insider buying, there's more insider selling and selling options and things like that. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens to Tesla over the next couple months. Now, I think this is a very liquid stock. They have very good financial foundations and their fundamentals seem pretty good. But overall, it's very interesting that we haven't seen much activity from Tesla in a while. What are your thoughts? Comment down below, let me know. Subscribe for more personal finance videos and investing videos, and we'll see you on the next video.